Hello everybody, this is Keydous Anime, and coming to you with a quick video on a comparison of the Keydous, or Keydous, I don't really know how to say it still, NJ80 keyboard, and applying some PE foam or PCB foam or plate foam. I think that's what it's called, the one that goes between the plate and the PCB. So I found it on Amazon Canada for $12.99 Canadian. That's where I am. Unfortunately, I couldn't find it on US Amazon, but I'm sure you could find it elsewhere too. Usually, you'd have to buy it from AliExpress, and even with shipping, they're actually more expensive. So I got it thinking it's a good deal, but just want to go through, install it, and show you guys, have you guys have a listen and see what y'all think. Overall, installation was quite easy, even for someone who's opening up the keyboard for the first time like me. I disassembled everything, and then I took the foam and put it over the PCB like so. And then I placed the plate over, put the switches back, and assembled the whole thing. Here you can see the foam installed. So let's have a listen, post-foam installation. So overall, I think it did help the sound. Most of the keys sound less pingy, but there are other alternatives. You could make your own foam and whatnot. But for me, I think it was worth it. Hope you liked the video, and thanks for watching.